Today, let's see how to use displacement sensor MLD22-100V. As we see, there are 4 keys on the screen. We use it regularly. On the top left is the 0 and the 1 key. It's mainly used as dwelling and return keys. The return key means to return to our current state of the interface with this normal detection. The 0 key means to use the position we are currently detecting at the 0 point to detect the height or segment difference of products, etc. On the lower left is the set key, the confirmation key, and the manual key. They are mainly used for setting parameters, implementing some functions, switching, and so on. The plus and the minus keys are on the right and are mainly used for flipping up and down the menu, adding or subtracting values. Now, let's see the commonly used functions. Firstly, we often use the function of zeroing. We need to press and hold the 0 and 1 keys for 2 seconds to perform the 0 setting function. How do we release the 0 setting? Press and hold the 0 and 1 keys for 4 seconds to release it. Second is the lock screen key. When we have set the parameters and do not want others to change them, then we can lock the screen. Press the plus and the minus keys together for 3 seconds, and then screen displays lock. So if we press another key, it will display lock. It means it can't be changed. So how do we unlock the screen? Press the plus and the minus keys for 3 seconds to do this. It will display unlock. Another function we often use is to return to the factory settings. When we don't know what parameters someone has set, we can simply return to the factory settings and then reset them. We press the set key twice to go to the second menu, and then we use the plus and minus keys to turn to the page. When the rest appears on the screen, press Set to confirm. After confirming it, a no will appear. We press the plus or minus key until yes appears on the screen, and then press the set key to confirm. So it returns to the factory settings. Next, we press Run to return to the factory settings. And we have normally open and normally closed function. This is also by pressing the set key twice to the second menu. We turn the page by using the plus and minus keys, turn to active. Then we press the set key to confirm. The L on that appears on the screen is the default normally open. How do we change to normally closed? We can use the plus or minus keys to switch to the on mode, which is normally closed. We confirm this by pressing the set key. Afterwards, we press the run key to return. This is the mode we always use. In addition, there are some other functions. We have 3 menus for different functions. We generally use 1-point teaching, 2-point teaching, and FGS2, which are the 3 commonly used detection modes.